Welcome back to our shop. We are so blessed today. This is the best way to end the month of February. As you can see, cars are just lined up behind me. Every single car of these are getting the wheel treatment and the custom brake caliper painting, and they're getting the same exact color. Every car is going with the red brake calipers and the glossy black wheels. So check this out. Look how beautiful these brake calipers actually look. Here we got a Range Rover Sport with the 6-piston Brembo calipers. So this is actually in its final stage. So pretty soon we'll be going through a quality check on this one. And check out this Audi right here. This is still in the beginning stages. We just laid down the base coat. So next we'll add the graphic and then get the whole brake caliper clear coated. We got a BMW in the back also. Same thing, glossy black wheels with super wet red calipers. But check this out. Check out this Fisker. Look how beautiful this vehicle is. So same thing, we're doing custom work on this brake calipers. Look how beautiful they turned out. Wow, that graphic just makes it pop. So these graphics are custom cut here at our shop. What we do is we measure the brake caliper and we cut out a graphic that fits it perfectly well to give it that OEM factory look. So check out this Fisker. Wow, that is just beautiful. So we just laid the clear coat on it. As you can see, that super wet clear coat just makes it pop. And clear coat is on top of the graphic as well. Got a busy production day today. Wheels are everywhere in our cure room. Check this out. These wheels are up next, getting ready to get clear coated. Doing all right?
Doing good? Yeah.
Excellent. Busy night? You got a busy night ahead of you?
Yeah.
Make it happen, man. I'm believing you. Where are we going? More paint?
More paint, charcoal.
More charcoal, okay. Alright, so these are up next. They're just gonna add a little bit more color to them. That is actually a hyper silver to me. So I don't know, maybe they're just gonna add a little bit more hyper to make it a little bit brighter. So again, with hyper silver, the more you spray, the lighter it gets. And these wheels might be just a shade darker than what they're supposed to be. Alberto,
Yes.
your boy is professional.
Oh yeah.
I got the microphone and everything.
Good, eh?
Yeah.
Muy bueno.
We're moving forward, man. So what do we got going on with this wheel? What is that, a Camaro wheel?
Camaro wheel. CNC.
CNC, nice. CNC charcoal pockets.
CNC charcoal.
So that's the 50th anniversary wheel that came on these Camaros. He's wanting to do a custom finish just to match the body of the car. And here we go, Alberto, the man himself, is going to take full charge of these wheels. He's going to get them perfectly cut with a diamond blade to give it that beautiful polished look. Here we go, more wheels. Going over to the powder coating stage. Alright, these boys are moving. So we go from the prepping stage, right there, all the way 360 degrees, and boom, we go straight to the powder coating process. Here it is. My boys are moving like machines. As soon as wheels are done, they bring them over and they start processing them. Alright, let's load them up. So the first stage is to go through the preheating process, so that way we can heat the metal to the proper temperature, usually around 400 degrees. Once they're preheated, that's when we start applying the primer, and everything's done while the wheel is hot. Nice, that whole entire oven is gonna be full. Let's close it up. Alright, so these wheels are gonna sit in there for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's see what the temperature is. So right now it's at 230. Our main goal is to get it up as close as possible to 400 for 20 minutes. It is blurry. Delivery day, here we go. All these cars have gone through the final inspection, just putting the wheels back on. So check out this Audi. Look how beautiful it turned out. Range Rover is ready to be delivered. We parked it outside because the customer's coming to pick it up. So check out the end result. Look how beautiful it looks. Glossy black wheels. And that nice contrast sitting right behind it. What a beautiful caliper. That's a 6-piston Brembo caliper. Look at that. Even with the black accents right underneath the trim. What a beautiful car. Alright, let's check up on the other vehicles. The guys are doing final inspections. So you've got the BMW that's going out today. You also added the BMW graphic to it. Leo, let's see what you got right there. So the dealer decided just to keep the factory look on the wheels, and he just added the red accent on the brake caliper. Oh, it's reflective too? Nice. Gives it that factory OEM look. Leo, the man himself. See, this is a dealer vehicle. They bring them to us. That way we add just a little bit of touch. We keep it looking factory new. Check out the end result on this Audi S5. Look how beautiful it looks. And just add that popping red on the brake calipers. Look how beautiful it looks. So this is actually a dealer vehicle. They drop off cars with us all the time to change the color on the wheels or the brake calipers. By them doing that, they're setting themselves and their cars aside from any other competition, because now they're able to offer their customers an extra option that no other dealer is doing. And that's all it takes, ladies and gentlemen. A simple color change to the wheels or brake calipers. You're able to sell that car at a higher value. And that's how we do it, the RTP treatment. So this one's all set. Next, the Beamer. And this Fisker, the wheels are getting mounted as we speak. And they already did a final quality check on the brake calipers. They passed. Man, look how beautiful they look. So when you touch it, the graphic is actually embedded underneath the clear coat. Wow, we are super excited to end the month extremely strong. And check this one out. This is the 50th anniversary Camaro that we just did a full restoration on the wheels. And we actually added the custom color. They came in silver with machining, and we color matched the centers to the car. So check this out. Even painted the center cap. Huge transformation on this Camaro. So this is the 50th anniversary Camaro edition. You got the orange stripes on the hood. And check out its brake calipers. Got the color matched brake calipers. That's like the burnt orange. Man, that thing is just popping from behind the wheels. So that's really all it takes. With your factory OEM wheels, just simply change the color on them, and it's going to make your whole entire car look completely different. It's going to transform it without having to pay that extra bucks for aftermarket parts. And with this, you're guaranteeing the value of the car, and you're maintaining that comfort OEM ride. That's all it takes, guys. That's the RTP treatment that these vehicles are receiving. We actually did a full hyper silver wheel on this beautiful red. Check this out. So this is hyper silver with the gray primer. And look now, just gives it that nice easy transition from the wheels to the car.
It looks clean. It looks clean. It looks pure like me.
Yes sir,
Yeah, right.
I believe that.
Yeah. That's what's up. Hey man, appreciate y'all.
Yes sir, absolutely.
Really good work. They do
Thank you.
Good work.
Thank you. Yes sir, we brought it
man,
together.
that's hot. Y'all need to come see these people. This little boy B right here.
Sir.
Y'all need to come see him.
We'll
for
get it
real.
taken care of, man.
Get your bench up, painted up, straight. Come see him. Y'all see ghosts. Y'all see ghosts. Thank you, brother. That's exactly what I was looking for.